And then finally, our day 13. This is our final day of our trip. I show you our hotel in Rotorua. It was called Ripple. It was really nice. I really liked it. They had a little restaurant right on the premises too. So that was really nice. And they had laundry, so we did laundry. This day we did a glowworm cave, which was really fun. You get in tubes in this cave and you traverse through and you see glowworms. It was really cool. I did not record anything because I didn't want anything to get wet, but there are some photos that they took for us. And my tip would be, oh, make sure you bring a towel because we had to purchase one there because we didn't know. So yeah, bring a towel if you can. But highly recommend Glowworm Cave. That was really fun. And then then we're driving down to Raglan. But on our way, we see a giant apple, like a roadside attraction. And we also go to the Toothbrush Fence. There's like a fence where people put up their toothbrushes, another roadside attraction. And then we make it to Barreled Wines, which was in Raglan, which is like a little winery. It was like at this guy's house or his like family. They have their house there, and then the vines are like right there. It was so gorgeous, and it overlooks the beach and the ocean you can see. And our Airbnb was gorgeous. It was so cute. It was really tiny. It was like a little studio, but it was so cute. And they had a barbecue there, so we just bought some food at the grocery store and just cooked out at the barbecue. It was so nice and relaxing. And their dog was there and she was so friendly and she was hanging out with us. Then we go to the beach for sunset. It was so pretty. It was empty. It was like so nice to have the whole beach to ourselves. It was gorgeous. And you could see the moon and the stars. And it was just the most perfect ending to a trip like ever. It was just like the cherry on top. It was wonderful. So I highly recommend if you're ever in Raglan, check out Barreled Wines. They were amazing. So yeah, that was our whole trip. I hope you enjoyed watching. We did a lot. But yeah, I'll see you on the next adventure. This was the breakfast at the hotel. Okay. This was our room at the Ripple. It's very nice. I liked it here. They had laundry so we could do our laundry. This was our Glowworm Cave adventure. They did not allow phones, which I don't think you would want to anyway because it would get soaked. But this was so much fun. So they provide the wetsuits and the boots and the helmets and everything. So you have everything you need. And again, the guides were outstanding. There were like, I want to say like 3 or 4 of them. And they were really good. They knew what they were doing. They loved their job and they were so much fun and so helpful. So, yeah, I highly recommend this. This was very cool. We got to see so many glowworms. These are like some stock photos that they took, but it was still really, really fun. Too bad you can't go in it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
How are they secured? We'll get hooks.
Zip ties,
yeah.
hooks, yeah. Toothbrush fence. Oh, it goes pretty far. Oh, still going. Wow. How far does it go? Dang. Oh, here's some new ones. Newish. Oh, a little creek. There's the end.
Audition driveway?
This is the dream. Yeah, wow. But yeah, once you get used to living out and like the quiet and like, I mean, look what you're doing. Yeah. You know,
Oh, you want belly rub? Is that what you're doing? Oh.
Lift the paw. You know what she's doing.
Yeah. Let's go, girl. Making some dinner.
Tasty corn. Give me one of those big ones.
Okay, switch it.
No, actually, they're pretty ones.
You got candy bars for dessert. Let me see what it looks like. Oh. This Airbnb is so nice. Just a short walk over here, we get access to the sauna. This is the sauna. It's toasty. Ooh. Trying to catch the sunset. It's running. This was our beautiful Airbnb at the winery near Raglan. I always do the videos when we're leaving, but it was made beautifully. Comfy bed. It's a little studio, so it's tiny, but it's very cute. It's beautifully decorated. Nice bench seat, little fridge. This table folds up. Got great views. Little table outside. And it has an espresso and a milk frother. Oh my god, so fancy. And here's the little kitchen. And then I'll show the bathroom once Chris is out of there. But yeah, it is gorgeous. I loved it here. And they have their wines in here. So we're staying at Barreled Wines Winery. It's like right down, like a couple steps down. It's really, really pretty. And this is the bathroom. Super cute. Nice shower. And these smell so good. And towel warmer. Here's some New Zealand money. I had a $1 coin that had a kiwi on it, but I must have used it. I want to get another one if we can.
Yeah, get some change.
What's the story on this, the 10 cent? He was like,
Yeah, it's the lake monster down in Queens.
yeah, that's a cool one.